Hello everyone. My name is Kudus Ajagbe. My project topic is database replication in SQL Server 2012. Next is definition of replication. Replication is a suite of technology for duplicating and appropriating information and database objects, starting with one database to another and then synchronizing between databases to keep up consistency. Next, I'm going to move to advantages of replication. First of all, uh, replication helps in moving information closer to the client. Also, it improves performances. Next is to reduce locking conflict when multiple users are working. Next is enhance accessibility. Next is simply support. And the last is reduce networking costs. Next is replication features in Microsoft products. I'm giving two examples of two products which are the 2008 and 2012 features. For the SQL Server 2008 feature, one of the advantages is snapshot conveyance of more than 500 MB per moment, and also time to convey up to 100,000 binary marks record in under 2 minutes, where in 2005, 2003 minutes. The last one is conflict discovery limit in distributed replication, etc., etc. And for the SQL Server 2012 features, um, its update membership with value-based production has stopped. Um, Replication architecture. As you can see, I have a pictorial diagram of the replication. You can see like from the publisher server containing data to be replicated, while from the article, database objects such as a table, view user defined function or stored procedure to be replicated. Under the publication, it's group of articles, while in distributors, it transfer a publication. The work of the subscription is the server that receive replication data. It is the server that receive replicated data. And in the subscription, information required to request a publication from publisher. And the last is the agent. The agent is the oversee replication process. As you can see from here, it is the oversee replication process. And next is types of replication. There are three main types of replications, which are transactional replication, the snapshot replication, and the merge replication. First of all, I would like to talk about the transactional replication. It is a typical start with a snapshot of a publication database, object, and data. As soon as the initial snapshot is taken, subsequently data changes at schema modification made at the publisher are usually delivered to subscriber as they occur. The data changes are applied to the subscriber in the same order within the same transaction boundaries as they occurred at the publisher. Therefore, within a publication, transactional consistency is guaranteed. Next is the snapshot replication architecture. It distributes data exactly as it appears at a specific moment in time and does not monitor for updates to the data. When synchronizing occurs, the entire snapshot is generated and sent to subscribers. I would like you to take a note about the snapshot replication can be used by itself, but the snapshot process, which creates a copy of all of the object and data specified by a publication. It's also commonly used to provide the initial set of data and database object from transactional and merge publication. And last is merge replication architecture, which is the transactional replication typically starts with a snapshot of a publication database object and data. Subsequently, data changes and scheme modification made at the publisher and subscriber are tracked with trigger. As we can see above, the subscriber synchronizes with the publisher when connected to the network and exchange all roles that have changed between the publisher and the subscriber since last time synchronization occurred. Um, Next, I would like to talk about the replication entity. Um, there are, as we can see, I have three examples of the replication entities, which are the publisher. Under the publisher, publisher helps in maintaining source database where application begins. Also, it makes availability of information for replication. Also, is the distributor. It may forward changes to subscriber, and also it has system database including distribution. And the last is subscriber. It helps to receive copy of change to information, and it is the destination database where replication stops. Next is there are five different types of replication agents, which are the distribution snapshot agent. This helps to plan initial snapshots and stores them on the distributor. And the next is the agent. This helps in moving snapshots and transaction information to subscriber. Next is log reader agent. It helps in copying information from transaction logs to the distribution database. And next is merge agent. It helps in merging changes from different sites. And the last is queue reader agent. It helps in applying changes from a queue and apply them to multiple subscribers. Likely problems we are meant to encounter in replication and the solutions. For the problem part, we have the performances problem, we have the availability problem, and we have the maintenance problem. And I have a solution to that. Application refers to maintaining several copies of same database at different locations. Mirroring and log shipping helps in database redundancy. And last is my reference. These are my references. And